Unoilam geleng Persia Dr. Mukul Sangma walaupun pawe ke jeng si jur Khraw ke jeng khas kendit UMP ke Lok Sabha Shillong Dr. Ricky Eje Sengkon. Habakren mentagasngi Dr. Mukul ong ba Dr. Ricky Eje Sengkon uday Khun dap Shynrang ke Jylla ba mi khmat banyasa jadi paj ba ke Jylla bat kamtam ya kasi jan tehis. Wala uday badang temai bandon haksan pertai India handai wapan ya ke jeng tebit bat ke jeng shilul ban kren bandawa ya ke jeng don kam jong ki paj ba bat ke Jylla. Dr. Mukul ong bagi breu kini ai kenmau ki mati bau Dr. Ricky Jisengkon lale nam tai paj ba watla was rung saksan petai haksin ke benengkong.
We are deeply grieved because of this untimely and sudden demise of one of the great son of the soil. And we join the multitudes, all the well-wishers, and his loved ones in condoling his sudden and unfortunate demise. This sudden loss of this a very promising leader that state has produced is a huge and irreparable loss for the state. He has been making a mark of his innings in politics, not only in the state of Meghalaya or in the northeastern region, but at the national level as a whole. So the loss of such a great leader is a irreparable loss for all of us. We only pray that all the multitudes who are mourning his demise receive all the comfort and solace from the Almighty God, and may this one of the most loved leaders still eternal peace. He will remain in the hearts of multitudes of people, and we will all remember his contribution. The resolve and commitment with which he started his innings in public life is a great thing that has happened to the state of Meghalaya. And the fact that a new leader was identified by people, and he took upon himself such a huge responsibility of entering into public life, which was new for him, having shifted his, the profession to take upon himself this whole challenging task of navigating through this political landscape of the nation. And he, as I said, he was already making a mark at the national level. We only hope that God will again provide enough leaders for the people, that his demise, though, will leave huge vacuum, but our faith in God says that God will always find a replacement for him. So let's keep our faith on the Lord, and may the Lord comfort all the multitudes who are mourning his demise.